Hello everyone, this is Take. During the recent guide of city tour of Tokyo, I received several questions from guests regarding the May Children's Day in Japan. In this YouTube, I'd like to answer the following questions. First, an introduction to Tango-no Sekku in May and the custom of eating Kashiwa Mochi in Japan. Second, the what and why of Kashiwa Mochi. Third, why there are two different colors of Kashiwa-no-ha leaf, oak leaves. Fourth, whether Kashiwa-no-ha leaves are eaten or not. Fifth, how the Kashiwa Mochi is actually made. Please enjoy the video to the end.
Oh, it's exciting.
5th May is Tango-no Sekku, an event to pray for the health and growth of child, especially boys in Japan. It is customary to eat Kashiwa Mochi on Tango-no Sekku. Kashiwa Mochi is a rice cake filled with red beans paste and wrapped in Kashiwa-no-ha leaf. There are following reasons why the leaves of Kashiwa-no-ha leaves are used. The Kashiwa-no-ki oak tree is a deciduous tree of the beech family. The tree family usually lose their leaves in winter, but the Kashiwa-no-ki retains its leaves even in winter until new leaves appears. So, it has been considered an auspicious tree for prosperity of descendants. Another reason is that large and wave leaves with the shape of resembles a samurai helmet, which is believed to be effective on warding off evil spirits. From a scientific point of view, Kashiwa-no-ha leaves contain oregano, which has an antibacterial effect as a component of the fragrance. The reason for wrapping a rice cake in Kashiwa-no-ha leaves is that oregano prevents the growth of bacteria and wrapping rice cake in leaves protect them from drying out. So, people in ancient times used to wrap rice cake in oak leaves as a form of wisdom. According to the old calendar, Tango-no Sekku was in June. However, with the Meiji restorations, a new calendar was adopted and festival was moved to May. In May, the leaves has not yet grown large enough, so a method was devised to Kashiwa-no-ha leaves harvested in previous year, sterilize them and dry them for preservation. When Kashiwa-no-ha leaves are steamed, they turned brown in color. Nowadays, technology had advanced to the point where green leaves can be prepared even in May, and the traditional brown and green Kashiwa-no-ha leaves exist. When you eat Kashiwa Mochi, do you eat Kashiwa-no-ha leaves? Kashiwa leaves are tough and not very pleasant to eat. They're not harmful to eat, but they spoil the texture of eating rice cakes. It is better not to eat the leaves. This time I made mugwort mochi, so add mugwort powder and mix well. Instead of steaming this time, I heated it in the microwave. Place where needed mugwort mochi on top of an Kashiwa-no-ha leaf. Place boiled red beans seasoned with sugar on top and wrap it in mochi. Wrap that in the leaf and it down. Wow! This is commercially available Kashiwa Mochi. Compared to my homemade Kashiwa Mochi, it is much more beautiful finished product. In addition to the advantage of being able to use it in place of a plate when eating, the fact that the Kashiwa Mochi is wrapped in a leaf also has the advantage of allowing people to eat it without getting their hand dirty. Why not try making it yourself? Thank you very much for your watching. If you like, please subscribe this YouTube.